Hayibo, uyathuka yini? Lalela, ungathuki, ngikuzela nendaba enkulu. Mhla ka 27 June ziyaqala, ziyakhala, ziyalila bafethu. Nginiphathela indaba ke eningazazi. Noma ke bezazi abanye beni, but most of ama-Orlando Pirates fans awazazi. As i-Orlando Pirates fan, I would like to address le ndaba. La kune Orlando Pirates 5. Orlando Pirates 5 i-team engaphansi kwi-Orlando Pirates Football Club edlalela ile team le edlalela i-5-a-side team. La kusuke kuthiwa i-5-a-side team, kodwa phakathi kusuke kunama players awu7. Keeper, then abawu 6 ngaphakathi. So okunye ke ngiyobuye ngimchazele le tournament le igama le tournament i-Old Mutual 5 Quad League. Old Mutual 5 Quad League njengoba nje ngiyivezile la ngezansi. And le tournament njengoba desingishithi izoqala mhla 27. Le tournament ama teams akade ejwayele ukudlala kuyona bekuya ama team awu16 loke compete njengakwi Betway, but now aediwe kule season abuye sewu20. Le season esikuyona kule tournament season number 4. And kulo season number 4 wonke lo 3 seasons iqhukulwa iOrlando Pirates 5, Orlando Pirates 5 ama champions, and asazi kule season ukuthi izobithatha ba. So 500k imali team ezowina izobuya no 500k awu20 ama teams, then ama group awu4. Kuzoqala ama group stages, ama group awu4, each group ngama team awu5. Then i-team interesting kule tournament i-Orlando Pirates for my side, because yona team engiyaziyo, and then ngazi nama player akhona because bebeliyile e-USA beyo representa nje iAfrica iyonke, because bekuyibona team yokuqala yase-Africa eyodlala kwi-TST yabo i7 versus 7. So okunye kube ngimchazele. So bafethu, if uyi-Orlando Pirates supporter, a true supporter, make sure ukuthi uyasesha 5 Quad League, uyafollowa lela page lela, uyasesha Orlando Pirates 5, uyafollowa leli page leli Orlando Pirates 5, then stay tuned, uhlale nje uqaphile. Support nje Orlando Pirates bafethu, si support na bafethu bayidinga support, and futhi bayalidlala ibhola, bayadlala ibhola ngiyakutshela. Ana njoba DLA kwile USA ibihambe even ngisho nano Thamsanqa Gabuza, i-legend le Pirates cabanga. So bafethu ngiyacela senze njalo, then okunye nokunye sobe ngimchazela.